Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode, so let's move to more advanced options. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to it, and one of these is the show grid lines button here. So when we tap on it, by using just one tap we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here, and the grid lines looks like that. So these are these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography and making experiments with composition. Of course, to turn it off we go back to this button here in the right corner and tap on this button again. As you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.